Alright, here we are on a hard hat. Oh, there's Simplify sending me a message because he's a little mad because he rage disputed. But, alright, I'm gonna pause it. Bottom left corner, you can see Sacred Scythe, ASAP JK, and Simplify. Let's see if it... Well, you saw Simplify, so, I mean, Simplify's not gonna be playing alone. So, I mean, you can interpret if Simplify was playing with his partner, Sequel's last game, he's gonna be playing with him this game. But some people are stupid, so here, there's Sequelize. There you go, you can see everybody in the game. Alright, so I'm going to just fast forward to this now. That's what we should do. Why don't we just, like, leave bomb down in our spawn? You know?
I don't know.
Cause,
good. And I could just run to my spot.
Cause, like, if you die... because if you go to Sandbags and you die, I don't want to have to run all the way over to Sandbags and pick it up.
That's true.
I mean, I don't... Like, and they can't get into the spawn. Because...
Yeah, that sounds good. Well, I'll just leave it there from now on.
Yeah. Just, like, get to your spot faster.
It's just little things like this that are just gonna... We're just gonna make more people like this.
Yeah.
He said, congratulations, you accomplished stalking my profile. Oh, hold on.
Congratulations, your balls are still in your chest.
I like how he's not sending me voice messages, he's just writing out everything.
Yeah, no, that's what most people do.
My camp's been... Oh shit, my shield's down. Oh, I'm gonna fucking...
Whoa! Alright. Now I'm gonna slow it down right up here. Because I ended up getting the kill. Because I'm a boss. There you go. I'm gonna pause it. Sacred Scythe killing Simplify. And there you go. We won 4-3. Oh, hey, Simplify. I'm just getting our proof. And they rage dashboarded right here. Because as you can see, I can still back it up. I didn't freeze. But there you go. We won 4-3. And they rage dashboarded. So we ended up winning 2 out of 3 games. First map on Arkaden 4-2. Second map on Hard Hat 4-3.